Nata study material. It's free. This tutorial is designed on the pattern of Nata last year question paper. Mohan had a small piece of land, 15 feet 6 inches in length and 9 feet 6 inches in breadth. He decides to build a single room having 10 feet height, with a 9-inch wall on all 4 sides. He also decides to have a door having 3 feet width and 7 feet height, and 2 windows measuring 3 feet by 4 feet each. After the room is built, Mohan decides to get the inside walls and ceiling painted. Calculate the internal area of the room to be painted. Before attempting this question, it is advisable to draw a rough sketch from the information provided. This helps in presenting a clear picture to us and prevents from making further mistakes. You will notice that when you reread the question, you can note down the main points like: land size is 15 feet 6 inches by 9 feet 6 inches. Door size is 3 feet 0 inches by 7 feet 0 inches. The 2 windows measure 3 feet 0 inches by 4 feet 0 inches. Wall thickness is 9 inches. Room height is 10 feet 0 inches. Let's make a rough diagram with the help of above measurements. Let's make the piece of land measuring 15 feet 6 inches in length and 9 feet 6 inches in breadth. Add 9-inch wall on all 4 sides. This will reduce the internal floor area to 14 feet by 8 feet. This is also the area of ceiling. Add the door and 2 windows. Let's mark the 4 walls as wall A, B, C, and D. Let's calculate the area required for painting. Ceiling area is 14 feet by 8 feet, equals 112 square feet. Wall A is 14 feet by 10 feet, minus 7 feet by 3 feet, equals 140 minus 21, equals 119 square feet. Wall B is 8 feet by 10 feet, minus 4 feet by 3 feet, equals 80 minus 12, equals 68 square feet. Wall D is same as wall B, equals 68 square feet. Wall C is 14 feet by 10 feet, equals 140 square feet. Adding them all up, we get 112 plus 119 plus 68 plus 68 plus 140, equals 507 square feet. So, Mohan needs to paint 507 square feet of internal room area. Thanks for watching. To get access to Nata full study material, visit the link given in the description.